Setting up our PhiVilla outdoor dining set, and yes, it's easier than it looks. Everything arrives well packed, with each piece clearly labeled and protected. We started by unboxing all the parts and laying them out: table frame, tabletop panels, and chair components. The chairs feature modern lines and elegant contours that enhance the overall design. The set includes both classic fixed chairs and 360 swivel options. At the center of this set is a 60-inch square dining table wide enough to seat 8 guests with room to spare. Powder-coated steel and slatted surfaces resist dirt and moisture, making cleanup as easy as a quick wipe down. Its distinctive wave basket texture adds a modern touch while keeping the surface breathable and easy to clean. The table also includes a built-in umbrella hole, offering a convenient option for those who want extra shade during sunny afternoons. Just add your favorite outdoor umbrella, and you're ready for any weather. Each chair comes with built-in cushions that are soft, supportive, and made with patented CushionPro fabric, a triple protection material that resists water, stains, and spills. Now that it's set up, all that's left is good food, good company, and long summer evenings outdoors. We are ready.